This video illustrates how Skills Commons content can be made over for review and deployment in a learning management system. For the purposes of this demonstration, the learning management system we're using is Blackboard. Tools covered in this video are applicable to any of the popular learning management systems you may encounter. Our first step is to log into the learning management system, and we do that in an account that's been already created for this demonstration, and an instance that's been branded lightly for Skills Commons. The actual layout of the screen in various learning management systems varies, but the principles are the same across products. Typically, you arrive at some kind of landing page where you'll see tools and content relevant to your institution, and then you can dig down deeper into courses and assignments and so on. One of the first things that we did is to look at the online courses that were suitable for making over as learning management system courses. We went through those Skills Commons submissions and identified an initial set of 50 that we thought would make use of in our makeover exercise. So we brought those into Blackboard, but in order to help organize that material, we actually placed the courses into a course catalog. And the course catalog has subjects which are analogous to academic departments, departments rolling up into perhaps schools or colleges overall in an institution. So biology courses would be taught in the biology or life sciences department. The actual number of categories into which we group courses is somewhat arbitrary, but this is a way that people can view courses in common subjects. As an example, let's say we wanted to go to the fabricated product manufacturing area. We might see 6 courses that came out of our set of 50 from Skills Commons, and we might want to look at, let's say, this safety or welders course. Each course has a course number. These were created by us during the makeover exercise, and then the title and the description came from the submission to Skills Commons. So let's say we went into the welding course. What we would see there would be the Blackboard presentation of course content, which includes navigation and so on. And there are a variety of pieces of material here. We can look at a folder full of documents and presentations and so on. At this point, it might be worth just a quick look back at the Skills Commons submission that made this happen. We go over to Skills Commons, you can see that there was a submission that included a title and a description, and then there was a zipped, that means assembled into an archive, set of files suitable for a learning management system. So we downloaded this file and we uploaded it into Blackboard. And when that happened and we expanded, we got the material here, faithful to the organization in the original course. Now that is one kind of makeover. Another kind that we did that involved a little bit more reorganizing of material was back here in Skills Commons. Let's say we found this human biology course. Now this was not a learning management system export, as had been the case in the welders course. So here you had a discrete set of Microsoft Word documents, you had a PDF, a PowerPoint, and some images. These had all been teased out into individual submissions in Skills Commons. So to see what this might look like as a course, we can go back over to our Blackboard instance, and we can actually find that course, which was imported here. And we can see that the syllabus and schedule was placed here. There was the picture gallery. These are the actual images that had been in a file downloaded from there. There's specific content that we might see. For example, here is a PDF of content back from Skills Commons. So what I think you see through this illustration is there's lots of material in Skills Commons that is exported from a learning management system or is suitable for organizing into a course. We can extract that material from Skills Commons. We can reorganize that material into courses and in turn into a course catalog in a learning management system. Then we can go into the individual courses and look at the material. We could impersonate a student in that course. We could take any of the assessments and so on. So in this way, we have made over the repository content, which is not so easy to view and interact with as you would when teaching, and put it into a learning management system where we can really consume the material and evaluate the material as we would if we were an instructor or student. This concludes the demonstration.